Welcome back, Marshmallow Warriors. You're tuned in to Medicare and Marshmallows, where real-life Medicare stories are roasted until they're golden, gooey, and sometimes a little toasty around the edges. Today, we're serving up a story full of grit, gratitude, and maybe a few good old-fashioned military metaphors. Please welcome Joe Sarge W. to the fireside.
Howdy, Kim. Thanks for letting this old Marine warm up by the fire.
Anytime, Sarge. I feel safer already just sitting near you. All right, Joe. You had VA benefits and original Medicare Parts A and B. Why did you decide to get Medicare Supplement on top of all that?
2 words: back up. The VA is great for a lot of things, but sometimes appointments can take a while. I wanted to know that if something went sideways, if I needed to see a civilian doc fast, I could march into any hospital. No red tape, no network, no drama.
You wanted to be able to deploy to any doctor you needed.
Exactly. I didn't spend all those years busting my knuckles in war zones and bases just to be stuck waiting 6 months for a cardiologist.
Right. So what's working well for you with Medicare Supplement?
The flexibility is pure gold. Last winter, I slipped on black ice outside my granddaughter's school, smashed my hip like it was a bag of potato chips. Emergency room, covered. Surgery, covered. Rehab, covered. All I had to do was flash my Medicare Supplement card and my Medicare card. Boom, taken care of.
No network games, no authorization rodeo?
Nope. I got better treatment than my old 65 Mustang.
Tell us the challenges, Sarge. What's the less fun side of Medicare Supplement life?
The premiums, Kim. It's like paying rent on an apartment I only visit once in a blue moon. Some months I'm healthy as a horse, but that premium still gallops right out of my wallet. Look, it's like paying for a spare parachute. You hope you never need it, but buddy, you better have it when the plane starts smoking.
You're paying for peace of mind even when you don't cash it in. How about cost-sharing stories? Any moments that made you laugh or cry?
Mostly laugh. After my hip surgery, they sent me a bill for, are you ready? $0. I framed it and hung it in my garage, next to my old Marine Corps medals.
Wow, you're telling me the Medal of Honor for insurance goes to Medicare Supplement?
Darn straight. Cheaper than a 6-pack of duct tape and a whole lot prettier.
Any wild anecdotes you want to roast at the campfire?
Oh, sure. Last year, a young feller at the pharmacy tried to sell me a Medicare Advantage PPO with dental, vision, and free smoothies. I told him, son, unless that plan gives me new knees and a ride to the VA in a tank, I'm good where I'm at.
Free smoothies wouldn't sway Sarge. So if you had to sum up Medicare Supplement in 3 words, what would you say?
Reliable, simple, worth it.
Now that's a battle cry I can roast a marshmallow to. Thanks for your service, Joe. Folks, that's a wrap on this fireside mission. We kept it short and sweet. Until next time, stay cozy, stay covered, and stay safe.